Hello, my favorite student, and welcome to or welcome back to my YouTube channel English with Speaker. My name is Tanya, and in today's lesson, we are going to talk about easily confused words, all and whole. We will take a closer look at their similarities and differences and practice, of course. All and whole are determiners. Determiners are the words that usually go before a noun, and they show us who or what this noun is pointing to or talking about. They also show how much of something there is or how many. Here you may see some other examples of determiners. They are articles, demonstrative pronouns, possessive adjectives, and so on. All and whole are placed in front of a noun, but they can be used with other determiners, which is normally not normal. Because usually we cannot put two determiners together, but all and whole, they work pretty well with them. For example, he ate all the ice cream. All is a determiner, the is a determiner, but it's fine. The whole cake was made by one person. The is a determiner, whole is a determiner. Again, they work pretty fine together. First, let's talk about all. To use it correctly, first place all, then another determiner, and then a noun. And that's it, that is the whole formula. Now let's look at the functions. We use all with uncountable nouns. So that is going to be all plus a determiner plus an uncountable noun. Some uncountable nouns are milk, information, furniture, sunshine, sleep, cash, art, and there are many of them. And if you want the whole list, go to my Patreon or Ko-fi account and take it there. You can also find some other lessons and worksheets to these lessons there as well. And if you'd like to support me, you can also do it there for as little or as much as you like. Let's look at these examples. You drank all the milk in the house. All, the, another determiner, and milk, an uncountable noun. This is all the furniture that I need. All, another determiner, and then furniture is an uncountable noun. But all is also used with plural nouns. So the formula is all plus another determiner plus a plural noun. All of the cakes were made of chocolate. Or you can say all the cakes were made of chocolate. In this case, we mean every cake. All the cakes, every cake. But we can also use whole with plural nouns. Although in this case, the meaning would be different. It would mean entire. I read the whole 7 books about Harry Potter in just a month. So whole as entire series about Harry Potter. Whole is also used with singular nouns. And in this case, it means entire, one complete thing. I ate the whole cake yesterday. Can you imagine like one cake and somebody ate the whole cake yesterday? We can also use whole with an article a. After a workout, I can eat a whole protein bar. In this case, it doesn't mean some definite, some particular protein bar. We just mean that we can eat an entire, a complete protein bar. The last thing is we can use all and whole with time, but we should be careful here because all the time and the whole time, they mean the same. There is no difference. But all day, the whole day. All month, the whole month. All year, the whole year. Now it's time to practice. I have prepared a quiz for you, and your task is to fill in the gaps with whole or all. The first one. Imagine all the people. We need all here. Pay attention to where the article the stands. The next one. All the time. All the time. Again, we'll look at the definite article there and we understand that we need all because it's all, another determiner, noun. Number 3. That's the whole point. The whole point. Pay attention again to another determiner and it stands right before the whole. Number 4, the whole week. The whole week. I think you understand why we need whole here. And number 5, the whole thing by himself. The whole thing. Now, I hope that you really enjoyed this lesson, but if you want more, you can go to my Ko-fi or Patreon account where you can get more practice. There are worksheets, they are for free. You can just go there and take them. Also, you can find more videos on my YouTube channel. You can just go there and watch them right now at this very moment. But before you head there, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and recommend this video to your friends and family. This would help me, this would help this channel to grow. And thank you for being here with me today. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.